Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and the stock market is heading for its first weekly loss in a little over 6 weeks. And the main reason for the weakness is the tax plan that was released Thursday by the US Senate. And meanwhile, crude oil is also set to extend its longest stretch of weekly gains since October of 2016 as instability is flooding the Middle East. So we'll get right to it. We'll take a look at where the market stands, give you some key levels to watch next week, and we'll start with the S&P 500. And we'll go ahead and change these two weekly charts as we do at the end of the week just to see where we stand. As you can see, S&P 500 currently down about 0.4% on the week. Its first weekly loss in a little over 6 weeks. Currently trading at 2,577.18 with a chart analysis score plus 75. Key level to watch remains 2,544. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently trading at 23,400 and some change, down almost 0.6% on the day with a chart analysis score of plus 75. This is actually its first weekly loss in looks like about 10 weeks there. Key level to watch is bumped up to 23,251.11. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. NASDAQ currently trading at 6,736.06. Key level to watch will be 6,517.93, remains the same from the previous week. Currently, chart analysis scores plus 75, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still up with just some slight weakness today in the short term. Dollar index coming under pressure today, down about 0.6%, as well as gold. We'll take a look at the gold chart here in a second. Chart analysis scores plus 75 with a green monthly and green weekly trade triangle. That monthly trade triangle triggering this week. Key level to watch for the dollar will be 93.36. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. We'll look at crude oil here. Is actually on its 5th straight week of increases, up almost 2.7% on the day, currently trading at 57.17 with a chart analysis score plus 90. We'll go ahead and take a look at the daily chart here. There, as you can see, up a little about 0.5% today. Key level to watch for crude oil will be 56.41. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Gold, all of a sudden, right as I was getting ready to record, had a huge drop today, down about 0.8%. I'm not really sure what's happening with gold or the cause for the drop. However, it's pushed the chart analysis score down to negative 55. Key level to watch today would be 1,272.30. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade trial indicating a move to get short in the short-term gold. Level to watch on Sunday when it opens up trading will be 1,276.10 or whatever today's low will be, and that would trigger a red daily trade triangle next week. We'll go ahead and back out of here real quick, take a look at Bitcoin. We'll use the CMI real-time index to check this out. Currently down about a little over 5% today, same as gold. It's seems to be they've been moving kind of in concert with each other the last few days. However, chart analysis score is still plus 85, so overall the long-term trend is still up for Bitcoin. Key level to watch would be 5,385.06. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. And we'll go ahead and take a look at our two trades right now. Williams and Sonoma is actually up a little over 2.8% today. Key level to watch next week will be 54.18. However, using the triangles, you still had an option to keep long based on the monthly trade trial here on 9/27 if you're just playing this for the long term. Reason for the news day is they did announce that their earnings will be announced next week, so that might be an earnings surprise in there. Time will tell, but we'll have to see how this moves next week. So keep an eye on that. 54.18 right now will be our level for a new green weekly trade triangle. And look at Alibaba, currently trading at 186.04, up about 0.5% on the day with the chart analysis score plus 85. So overall long-term trend is still up. Key level to watch would be 168.58. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. With that, every success. Have a great trading weekend, and happy Veterans Day to all of our veterans out there for their sacrifice for this country and our freedom.